Okurigira abataka twagambaho nabo kandi ababa barya hishomereri okurwanaga no kwatandika harisha hankibiriza kasheshekeri izoba bwanyuma y'abahekera bakutaho muri Uganda barukorabira mu cyare cyamanywa nk'akayanja ubwe barukurwa mu ihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo.
Ya munzu mbyamire nimpura abantu ahero mbatere hanyuma zotere nduru turuka ahero turora abantu bari mu kwiruka baruga kayanza mbayiruka mbagenda rusengo hanyuma zo kubakaguza mbatugambira ngo abanaruka mukire bari mu Uganda bari kayanza bakumbike bakwasira buzo bakayanza babiri bari mu kubagamba batwale baboneke ambire barakiseri
beti cyabiyame twora amasasi twamanya ubonegala ko twagumza abantu byame kora abantu bamwange kuka mukasenta ko weita nargaine yiruka ati muruga munzu abantu barisi mbere atahamtu tukalire tukakozereki tutonavire nitaga ku no bwana nyina bwana
abandi batugira ngo abahekera aba bajwire myendero kwiragura kandi bari kugamba uruswahiro ubwe bari kutera amasaso mu bantu taruho kushorora kona ubwe bari kubaragira ku rwoma kagabo
tuzire turi twose bantu beyintu iruka twari akasenta kwa kweta kise tufune kimotoka nikitama abana kimotoka gitucha karuta
Maria Biro wiruka n'abana be bashatu nagera ngo we kuza kurura amasasa garukujumera yabakirwa mu kitanda cya byami
amasasi ngayongeza mu kubaza ndora abantu biruka mu kuzo niruka twatende ku motoka tweza karuta nabo kisazi twashoroye nishobora karuta mashobora karuta n'abana n'abantu
Cedra kugamba rukora nka Principal Town Agent ahabwa Karugutu Town Council nagera ngo batandikiraho kwandika abo bona bija kurondaho kweje ko rubaju ahishomereri.
I'm here to take registration of IDPs at Karugutu Primary School. So far I've registered 30 households. I'm yet to total up how many they are by number, and I'm told some have been displaced at the Websengu Town Council and some at Karugutu Health Center for
Ebyarebera mu Kashozi Kitambara Chibuku Central hamwe na Kayanja nibyo byateganise ubwo kurwanaga noku. Retired Major Edward Mugabirwe ora RDC wa Ntoroko yahamya makuraga kandi yahereka kurunji ko muntu umwe wa burijo nwe yafero mu kurwanaga noku kandi babahekera bari kwikikumi n'abana bitwa.
They killed one immediately. One of the civilian who saw them try to run away. They stopped him, he refused, and shot him dead. That's the civilian coverage we have. So when we encountered them this morning by East Mountain Battalion, we have so far killed 14 of them, recovered 17 guns, and captured 8 alive.
Ogo ageragera nsekikorwa cy'abahekere cinkeco kweita nagira ngo abantu baburijo tubine kugira kutina kona obwagomeze ngwembera bajino mu ngari 5.
And I'm sure these people are running away from fire of Operation Sugar. Otherwise we wouldn't commit suicide. If it is not, then their intelligence personnel, it belongs the old lot when we still have bushes where they can hide. But the situation on the ground have changed. We are also wondering why you commit suicide. We have units which are based, even where they crossed. Our detach was there, but they saw it. They looked at the number, they waited until their counterparts have killed them. That's why they were successful.
Ahitwaza kwandikira makuraga okurwanaga no kwaba kucira umuntu kugenda mu misho gasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwire.